Good morning! It's day three in Hawaii, and we are doing our own thing again today because Angel's at work in Kaikea. They're both busy. So we are instead going up to the volcanoes to check them out. So that should be really fun. We just stopped at the store and got some food for our, we have a 2-hour drive, so we're gonna enjoy all the scenic views.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
Today is Easter, so we're celebrating by checking out the volcanoes. Yeah. Bye-bye. Look at all the vents. That is so cool. Oh, hello there. Are you on the volcano trails? Would you like to have a tour? Check it out. We have the Crater Rim Trail right here. If we go this way, we can see the steaming bluff. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow. Take a look at this. Take a quick gander. Check out the beautiful view between the trees. Can you see anything? No? Oh, don't worry about it. Okay, come on, let's go. I got a better view for you up here. Don't worry about it, don't worry about it. Look at all these dead plants because of the heat, you know, everything just kind of withers away because it's just so hot in this beautiful forest. It's actually quite chilly today, if I must be completely honest. Don't cross this line. Be very careful. You don't want to pass through. We close this off because emergency conditions. Don't go that way. This way. This is the safe route. Come on, hurry up. We don't have all day. Explore. See what we have. Look at this tree. It's one of a kind. Not one you'll ever see. Come over here. Look at this bush. It's actually a tree. Psych! It's a tree. I'm a great tour guide, right? Okay. Did you see the view? Don't miss it. That's why we're here. Check it out. Get a nice zoom on that steam vent. You don't want to miss that. keep you waiting too long. We've made it to the steam vents. Check it out. Smells great. Like sulfur. Hey! What are you doing here? Welcome back to my tour guide. I'd love to show you things I've never seen before. Come, let us walk this path. I have no idea where it leads. Although I have a pretty good idea, it will lead us to something absolutely beautiful. Oh, hey! Come on! Come on, Adam, let's go!
I tripped on a fruit.
Learned the hard way that when you smell fruits, they smell like butt. Thanks, Kaikea.
What was that name of that fruit?
Disgusting. That's the name. Disgusting. We were just down there, and then we had to hike all the way back up, and now we are exhausted. But it was so worth it. And it started to rain, but this is why. All the fog. It's a cloud.